Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, look where we're at. It's been a while. Yeah, that's it. All this COVID crap all over. This place has been empty. But I'm coming to look to see what they got. What do they got? Let's see here. I don't see any minis. At least they got a couple of things back in here now. They had nothing in here for... God, this place was like bone dry of any kind of merchandise for a while. It's still kind of slim pickings in here, but at least they're getting some stuff. Where it's really been bad is over there where the games are. There's been nothing over there. Yeah, what is that? Wi-Fi adapter. You know, where the games are, they got nothing, man. I mean, zilch. Zilch. I've been looking for that new game, but I haven't been able to find it. That, you know, that samurai thing. Shadow of, I don't know, something or another. Javier, you the man.
Try to be.
I bought a lot of crap off of you in this place.
Yep. I'm always here.
Okay, so we got Mavic Mini, Fly More combo again. But, you know, that's the way it is. You know, I was saving up for that parrot announcement, and that's what this money is. Anyway, so I had that money put away for that parrot announcement. I mean, who in the hell knew that thing was going to be $7,000, which, you know, I'm not buying that. I could buy 14 Mavic Minis for that. You know, that's just economic suicide to buy that thing for $7,000. So I'll have an extra Mavic Mini just in case something blows up. I just loaded up the car to go flying, but I don't know, it's kind of muggy today. I might just unload the car and chill out. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.